Self-unlock on Mavic Mini drone is going to be available on the 30th of December 2019. It is not a rumor but also not confirmed by the DJI officially, but it will be available on the 30th of December 2019. I know there are lots of users who love DJI drones, quadcopter, and some of them die-hard fans of DJI. Recently DJI launched a Mavic Mini quadcopter which is very small in size and weight. Lightweight is the main feature of this drone. According to the weight, it considered a toy drone but works as a professional drone. This small and cheap DJI's Mavic Mini may remove lots of the barriers that have long prohibited most people from getting into drones. This mini drone is as small as a smartphone after folding, and you get 30 minutes of flight time, 4 km HD video transmission with holding a 3-axis gimbal, and this mini drone can give you video resolution up to 2.7K. This drone available in market in different price, but DJI official announced $399 while its Fly More combo package is at $599 if you buy this drone, so my recommendation is to buy DJI Mavic Mini combo. It weighs just 249 grams, this number is not by accidentally. Drones that weigh more than 250 grams will have to be registered with the Civil Aviation, and you will hand over your personal details with a small fee. Even in a seaside, lot of YouTubers have been tested its performance in windy conditions. I personally found that the Mavic Mini performed just like DJI's bigger and expensive drone. While it is not able to record 4K but still produces quality HD videos. However, DJI's app does not allow to fly the Mavic Mini in certain locations because of the geo-zone system. This actually based on international standards and not able to fly near the airports. If you want to fly, you have to go 4 kilometers away from the airports. In some other DJI drone, you are able to register yourself on the DJI website and enjoy the flight of the drone, but this registration is not available on Mavic Mini. DJI officially announced that after a software update in late December will enable Mavic Mini owners to fly within such zones through a self-unlocking procedure on the app. You will be able to self-unlock this device from the 30th of December 2019. And requires a verified DJI account and also need to verify through a mobile phone number in every 24 hours. The user will receive a text message to unlock Mavic Mini drone through a code.